Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft bricks in Minecraft. So in order to do this, you'll need to have a furnace. Also, you'll need to get some of the fuel, and in this case I'll be using coal. Now let's find some clay to actually make the bricks. Clay is usually found on any water pools in Minecraft, and it's most easy to find on the swamps, like here. You can see this gray everywhere, so that's the clay. Simply go down, mine it with, or actually shovel it with your shovel, and you should get some clay balls out of it. Now take this clay balls back to your house, move to your furnace, right click on it, and also make sure that you have this fuel right here, put it on top, and right here after a few seconds you should get one single brick, like this. Now we can move to our workbench, because bricks are kinda useless, you can't place them, and we want to build these walls. So move to your workbench, place 4 of the bricks next to each other, and that way you will craft a brick wall. Now you will have 2 brick walls, so you can place them like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.